So this is a very simple helmet rack to build. It takes either 8 or 9 pieces. I'll show you why that is later. It takes 8 or 9, so just grab these. I want to put the pole in one end and then the other, like that. Clip these onto it. Then as far as where the helmet sits, you're going to want to take either a cone like this, and then this is where the 8 or 9 pieces comes in. There's also a method where you can take one of these black studs with the hole in it, put it in a black cylinder. Doesn't have to be black necessarily, but yeah. You can either do it with the cone or the stud cylinder and the regular cylinder. And then that's it. You can grab a wall like this. Oops. Yeah. Holds helmets really well. Just stick them in. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.